Hello guys, this is Clive. So I'm a chartered accountant. Before that, I was a teacher. So teaching is sort of my passion. So I would like to make use of this channel to teach you guys Excel and help you out on what you can do with Excel, how you can use Excel to your benefit basically. So I'm going to actually teach you how to build your own templates like this and be able to use them on your personal budget, in your company, on your job, and anywhere else, even at home. You can use it to do a grocery list or whatever you want to do. You can actually use whatever you are going to learn from here. So do check the description and see the topics there. And if there is a topic you feel like should have been addressed in this introductory section of my videos, then just put it in the comment section. And also if you have any question on when are we going to address certain things, or which video is addressing a particular thing, or if you have any question regarding anything in Excel, just let me know. Just put it on the comment section below. I will address it in one of my videos, and I will respond to your comments and tell you where I would have addressed it. Okay, lastly guys, don't forget to hit the notifications button and hit subscribe so that you can get notifications when we post new videos and you'll be notified. Thank you.